Let's make some chicken steaks with vegetables in the air fryer. I'm gonna take a tablespoon of thick Greek yogurt, minced garlic, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, parsley, a little bit of turmeric powder, coriander powder, flakes, or you can use chili flakes, lemon juice, oil. Mix everything. Chop coriander, or you can use parsley if you don't like coriander. Mix it. That's the marinade. I've taken one chicken breast and I've cut the chicken breast into steaks, and this is the chicken tender. I'm gonna pour the marinade over. Now coat the chicken really well with the marinade. So this is the baking dish that I will be using to make the chicken. I use a baking dish to keep the chicken moist and still it gets cooked really well. Now take your air fryer basket. Put the chicken in there. This is gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. The chicken is halfway cooked. I'm gonna add the vegetables in the same tray. So for that I've taken some peppers and onion. I'm gonna add some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, some Turkish red pepper flakes, little bit of oil. Just coat the vegetables really well with everything. So these are ready to go. It's been like 17 minutes, so I just need to flip the chicken now because these are chicken steaks, so they will cook faster. Add the vegetables on the side so they can grill along with the chicken. I've added all the vegetables. Now I'm gonna put this back in the air fryer for another 7 to 8 minutes. This is ready.